Hi guys, so get ready with me as I do my everyday makeup routine, starting with moisturizing my lips with the petroleum jelly. Now I'm on to my foundation, but before that I already did my skincare routine. Ladies, remember to do your skincare routine first before your makeup for a better outcome. To break the flat finish, I'm going to put a contour. You can use cream or powder and then blend it with your brush, or you can also use your fingers just like what I'm doing in here. Since Kila is life, we have to make sure that our eyebrows is nicely done. You can use a powder, pencil, or whatever you have. For my eyeliner, I usually start with the tail, and then I'm going to finish it going into the inner corner of my eyes. After that, we are going to tight line using a black eyeliner pencil on the upper lash line and the lower lash line in order for our eyes to pop and it looks better. I also use dark eyeshadow in order to set my eyeliner to make it long lasting. Now, don't forget your eyelash mascara in order for your eyelashes to be thicker and fuller. For my blush, I'm going to use a cream formulation in pink shade. You can also use a powder for your blush. Just don't forget to blend it well in order for it to have a better outcome. To create a glowy effect, you can put highlighters on the high points of your face, just like your cheeks, nose, and the cupid bow, plus the inner corner of your eyes. And nakalimutan ko pa palang mag-eyeshadow, so ayan. Hinahabol ko yung eyeshadow using one shade para lang magkaroon ng kulay yung mata natin. So we're almost done. I'm just going to set my makeup with a translucent powder using my brush. To lock your makeup, you can use a setting spray for it to be long lasting. Just air dry or make pie-pie of your face. Lastly, for my lipstick, I'm going to use two shades in order to create an ombre effect. So I'm using here a lighter shade and then just dry it up with a tissue. Now I'm going to tap it off with the darker shade and then blend, blend, blend. And pack! We're done! So for this makeup, you can opt to stay your hair straight just like this. Or you can also level up by styling your bangs and curling it a little bit, just like that. So for the products that I use, you can check it in the comment box. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!